the promise that lasted a lifetime. Once upon a time, in a small, picturesque village nestled in the hills, there lived a young boy named Ethan and his best friend, Lily. They were inseparable, sharing every secret, dream, and adventure that childhood had to offer. Their bond was so strong that they often joked about being friends forever. As they grew older, their dreams began to take shape. Ethan's passion lay in painting, while Lily dreamed of becoming a brilliant writer. The world was their canvas, and they were determined to make their mark. They often spent afternoons in the meadow, where Ethan would paint the breathtaking landscapes while Lily wrote stories inspired by the beauty that surrounded them. One sunny afternoon, as they sat under their favorite oak tree, Lily shared her most cherished dream with Ethan. She wanted to write a novel that would touch people's hearts, make them laugh, and cry, all at once. Ethan gazed at her with admiration, knowing she had the talent to achieve anything she set her mind to. Years passed, and Ethan's paintings began to gain recognition in the art world. He traveled to distant places, showcasing his talent and capturing the world's beauty on canvas. Lily, too, found success as an author, her novels becoming bestsellers that left readers deeply moved. One summer evening, under the same oak tree where they had shared their dreams, Ethan and Lily made a promise. They pledged to support each other's dreams no matter what, to be each other's muse, and to never let fame or fortune come between them. Their promise was sealed with a heartfelt hug, and they believed in it with all their hearts. However, as success brought them recognition, it also brought its share of challenges. Ethan's travels grew more frequent, and he was often away for months at a time. Lily's writing career demanded long hours of solitude, and she found herself lost in her work. Despite their best intentions, they began to drift apart. One winter's day, Ethan received a letter from Lily. She had penned a novel that she believed would be her masterpiece, one that would make readers cry with its raw emotion and depth. Lily knew she needed Ethan's support, just like in the old days. She longed for his artistic insight, his friendship, and the promise they had made. But Ethan, caught up in his own world of art exhibitions and social events, postponed his visit. He promised himself he would go as soon as his schedule allowed. Days turned into weeks, and then months. Lily's novel was published, and it became an instant success, but she felt an emptiness without Ethan by her side. Finally, when Ethan's schedule cleared, he decided to visit Lily. As he approached her village, he saw that the picturesque meadow had changed. The oak tree they had cherished was now a barren stump. He rushed to Lily's home, only to find it empty and in disarray. Desperate, he inquired about her whereabouts, and the villagers shared the heartbreaking news. Lily had fallen seriously ill while waiting for him. She had poured her heart and soul into her novel, and it had taken a toll on her health. The villagers explained that she had passed away just a few weeks before. Ethan was devastated. He felt the weight of his broken promise, the one they had made under that very oak tree. He blamed himself for not being there when Lily needed him the most. With tears in his eyes, he visited Lily's grave and whispered his apologies, promising to keep her memory alive through his art. Ethan returned to the world of painting, but his works were no longer about distant landscapes. He poured his emotions onto the canvas, creating masterpieces that made viewers cry with their raw beauty and depth of feeling. He dedicated each painting to Lily, his eternal muse and the friend he had loved more than life itself. As the years passed, Ethan's paintings of Lily's memory touched countless hearts, just as Lily's novels had. Their promise of friends forever had transcended time and space, reminding people of the power of true friendship and the importance of keeping our promises, no matter the cost. And so, in that small village, under a sky painted with the colors of love and loss, the legacy of Ethan and Lily lived on, a testament to the enduring power of friendship and the bonds that truly last a lifetime.